Okay. Now uh, we are on which exercise? 4C. We are on exercise 4C, question number 5. Exercise 4C. So till question number 4, you completed. सबने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Now question number 4 is completed. Now question number 5. Let us start the question number 5. Express each of the following rational number as the sum of an integer and a rational number. So minus 11 upon this 7. Suppose if I am talking about part 2. If I am talking about part 2, part 1 you can do your own. Express each of the following rational number as the sum of an integer and a uh, and a rational number. Suppose the integer is minus 7 upon 7. Okay, is this clear? So it means that we need so it will be minus, and then we have to write the integer like 11 upon 7. Now you see, अब तुम्हें यहाँ से देखना है कि माइनस 7, अगर हमारे पास टोटल नंबर इज माइनस 11, so minus 7 is there and this is the minus, we have to add, we have to like this. So what becomes 11? What becomes minus 11? So if we add 4, if we add minus 7 to 4, it will be minus 11. So this is 4, and we can write like this: minus 1 is the integer and minus 4 upon 7. Now minus 1 is a integer and 4 upon 7 is a rational number. प्लीज जो भी बात कर रहे हैं वो प्लीज अपना ऑडियो क्लोज कर लें. Now the question number 5, second part is minus 11 upon 7. First we have to write minus 7 upon 7, then minus. So we have to check if 7 upon 7, we have minus 7 and we need minus 11. So we have to write minus 4, because 7 plus 4 is 11 and minus minus is plus. So it will be this. Now this is 4 upon 7. Now we cancel this 7 upon 7, it will become 1. So minus 1 minus 4 upon 7 is equal to minus 11 upon 7. So minus 1 is the integer and 4 upon 7 is the rational number. Clear? Is it clear or not? Copied? Ahana, copied or not? Okay. Now check the next part. This is fourth part, and in homework you have to do first question number 5, first part, and third part. Sorry, you have to do first and third part. Now the fourth part is minus 103 upon 20. Sorry. So we have to write, suppose if we write 20 upon 20, और if we write suppose, तुम और आगे भी ले सकते हो इसको, 60, 70, 80, कुछ भी ले सकते हो, it's up to you, but less than 103. Suppose we take 80 minus 80, then we put minus here, then bracket. अभी minus 80 minus what become minus 103. बताओ, कोई कोई बताओ यहाँ क्या लिखना चाहिए हमारे को? 20 नॉट 23 अपॉन 20. रेज, ये अपना हाथ नीचे करो प्लीज. आना. नाउ 80 अपॉन, इफ यू, अभी देखो इसको हम लिख सकते थे 100 भी लिख सकते थे हम इसको. 100 अपॉन 20 माइनस, इफ इट इज 100 देन 100 minus 100 minus dash become minus 103. It will be 3. So इनको बहुत तरीकों से लिखा जा सकता है. ये हो गया. इज दिस क्लियर? दो तरीके मैंने एक ही नंबर के लिए दो यूज किया है. सो इफ वी कैंसल इट, इज इट, दिस इज -4, सो इट मीन्स -4 minus 23 upon 20 is equal to minus 103 upon 20. इज इट बी क्लियर? और अगर हम यहाँ करेंगे तो 25 is 100, so it will be -5 minus 3 upon 20. Anyone which is equal to minus 103 upon 20. Both the solution with the different numbers. Is that clear? Everyone copy both solution. Upasna, is there any doubt? Upasna, is there any doubt? समझ आया? Are you clear with this solution? So -4 is the integer, and 23 upon 20, if you write in bracket, basically this is a rational number. Okay, this is clear. Now we start exercise 4. Now this is the homework from the exercise 4C. Now start exercise 4D. This is just a calculation part, so you can think about this. इसके बारे में बिना सोचे नहीं कर सकते. You have to think. थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ता है. Do for calculation. Calculation part is logical part. So you have to think about the calculation. If you think about the calculation, your calculation must be improved. Now we start exercise 4D. The first thing is additive inverse. Additive inverse. And inverse means that opposite. And what is additive inverse? So, additive inverse of any number is minus the number, or minus anything like this. Suppose if we are finding a additive inverse of 5, so it means minus 5. Your answer will be minus 5. And additive inverse, if you are finding a additive inverse of minus 6, so it will be minus 6, so your answer will be 6. Means if you are finding a additive inverse of positive number, the answer will be negative. If you are finding the additive inverse of negative number, your answer will be negative. And there is one more thing to understand आइडेंटिटिव इनवर्स कैसे समझना है वो मैं बता रहा हूं. सो देयर इज अनदर थिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. additive identity. Additive identity of any number is equal to 0. Additive identity of any number is equal to 0. Because if we suppose there is a number 5, number is 5, sorry, and additive inverse of 5 is equal to minus, so it will be minus 5. If you add this number, you get 0. So 0 means the additive identity of any number. Is that clear or not? Clear? So in question number 1, find the additive inverse of. So question number 1 you can do in book only. If there is a problem, you ask it again. Yes, you can do only book, but with pencil only. Don't use pen. Don't write with pen. You have to write when you are writing something in a book. You can write with a pencil. Okay, is that clear? Now the question number 1 you have to do in book, not in copy. Now it is clear. Additive identity of any number is 0. And question number 1 you can do in book only. Now read. Now the second question is, what is the time now? 2. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. अभी इसके बाद कौन सी क्लास है? तो सुशील, आई थिंक सुशील सर विल टेक द क्लास ना. Okay, okay. So from 2 we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.